Is it pain? Now, do you feel the pain now?
What kind of therapy is that?
Metabolic therapy. Because if I bring the acupuncture needle here, you can do the acupuncture, but this one the face will be firm, you know. And also detox, he has like so many
needle acupuncture.
He got so many, you know, blockage inside.
You need needle?
No, I have already.
What is the benefit of that?
Usually the skin, because when you detox, when you get rid of the blood from the toxin from the inner side, like this one, so they can stop they can stop the acne to grow. They can stop the acne to grow. Then the existing acne, the blockage inside means come out with the blood, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's why I do for you
so
many times.
It will be clean, yeah.
You remember how many times I did for you? Yeah.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Sorry. Only after he get injured, right?
He has allergy.
He has allergy.
Face allergy.
He has face allergy. This one can get rid of the allergy.
Yeah.
You got face allergy, my dear?
No.
No. You don't have. If he have means
It's oily.
Oily face. And when he do this one, the face won't be oily. Sorry. Okay, no more.
Hey, you're so beautiful.
Okay, like this.
Okay.
Ikaw naman nakapag-video, di ba?
The face will become smoother, you know. You see this one, not smooth. I poke this area, right? It becomes smooth. 好像 any 套的脸这样。
Blood niya mismo, yun ang inaano
Cleaning
sa
niya.
kanya.
Blood cleaning.
Pinakasip-sip. Tinutusok niya ano.
Kanina.
Put the gel is to minimize and to get rid of the rashes and also for antibacterial. Tomorrow you will see him, the face is different.
Okay. Rosy cheeks.
You let me do here, na? 10 times only. You let me do here? Can do here? Can do or not? Okay, 10 only, we count.
Para sa iyong ano.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pakiting-kiting, alimango.
Okay, no more. Sorry, we love you.
Chamomile.
No, this is the chamomile crystal gel.
Hihigupin niya. So lahat ng pores
No,
lilinin.
yung mga stagnant na mga sa pores natin, mga dirty.
Matatanggal.
Yung mga toxin dyan,
Kasi mga stagnant na mga ano natin, mga
dumi ba?
anti-ozone,
Yeah.
pollution.
Radiation. Lahat ng show.
Lahat na yan.
Lahat ng Sean.
For kontemplasyon.
Masakit kuya nang tinusok, hindi naman.
Sakit. Sakit.
Ha? Painful?
Masakit yan, pero sandali lang.
Oh, wow, Nina. But after that, you have nice complexion.
So you have to use the moisturizer, the toner, and
You want to use also can, don't want to use also can. But then it's better, after this, 跟它放一点胶下去。It will give you the,
How do you call the process that you done now?
this one we call it metabolic therapy.
Metabolic.
Metabolic
Metabolic.
therapy.
Metabolic therapy.
metabolic therapy.
Because, now first round, I'm here.
Tapos na yung
It's
kabila.
actually, I can actually open one incision. I go inside, no pain. You better remove your this thing, okay? Okay, today after you guys get the solution already, you want to practice, get him and practice. Yeah.
Pag-practice na ako. Bukas.
Not only practice, because you get it only the